Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024, folks. This year's getting by. Today's going to be a day of reviews. Maybe 4, 5, 6 of them. They'll all probably be 3 or 4 minutes each. We're going to review this 175 watt power inverter. It has a 12 volt plug. It has 3 110 plugs. It has 2 USBs, a USB-C and a USB-A, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter. We may review this Intuit TurboTax 2023. I'm not sure yet. We're going to be reviewing a bike rack. We're going to be reviewing Dell computer customer support on an issue that I finally had to figure out myself. We're going to review, what else? We're going to review a tool Frank purchased. I don't know how much he paid for it or where he got it. I know he got it on the internet. It is an automotive relay tester. It also has a puller. If y'all have had to change these relays and puller and stuff, you know how difficult sometimes they can be, and how do you know whether they're good or not? So we're going to be doing that, and maybe a couple of other things too. But anyway, let's see, like I said, bicycle rack. There'll be several other things we're going to review. So let's get to some of them. I'll go ahead and point out a couple of the others when I get in. We will be reviewing this Hollywood 2-bike rack. I don't think it's going to work for my electric bike, but we're going to find out and see. We'll put it on the back of the van and see whether it works or not. Along with that bike rack and that 175 watt inverter, we're going to be doing a review of this automotive relay tester and puller. Sometimes those things are hard to get out. That'll pull them. This will test them. I'm going to do a follow-up review of this Dell 17-inch computer. It's a high performance computer for video, and Dell's product support. I had installed Premiere Elements, Premiere Elements, and also Photoshop Elements, and it kept the speakers off. And the aggravation I had dealing with Dell's tech support and getting it squared away, and I actually ended up figuring out how to do it myself. Also, I don't know if we'll do one on this or not. This is a 30 amp automotive circuit tester. You plug this into your fuse outlet. It's got its own little battery in there, and it will tell you if there is a short. It'll give you the voltage or the amperage draw if there's a short in that circuit. I don't know how much that costs. Frank's had it for a while. He said this cost about $35. It was mid-range. It'll test 4 and 5 pin relays. So anyway, let's go up there and let's test this or review it and see what all we get into on our reviews today.